Okay, where are all my snowbirds at? Spend your winters here at the RIO Guadalupe Condos in New Braunfels, Texas, and then rent them out all summer. It's a win-win. And this is so exciting, I have a 4th of July special. The sellers are offering for a limited time a 2-1 buy down. How does that work? Well, basically it lowers your interest rate by 2% in the first year, then 1% lower in the second year, and then it goes back to the prevailing interest rate when you closed. Best part of all, this is paid for by the seller. Basically, it lowers your monthly payment for a while, and hopefully interest rates will go down and you can refinance. Any money left in that buy down subsidiary account goes towards that refinance. Contact me for more details and I'll put you in touch with our preferred lender. Please note the disclaimer that terms and conditions apply. I'm going to be at the RIO Guadalupe Condos on 4th of July, Thursday from 10 until 1. The sellers will actually be there on the 5th, so come meet the sellers. Saturday, my colleague Jessica will be there, and I'll be back out there on Sunday. So come see me and we can talk about this buy down, because guess what? It's only good through close of business Monday. So come see me and let's put in an offer. For all the ways to get in touch with me, visit pennyfairboom.com.